We're going to use a series of pictures and labs and so forth to make sure that you have a good understanding of all of these different technologies. And these are some of the icons and symbols that we're going to be using throughout the course. Number one, we have the workgroup switch. This is a universal icon used for a switch, typically functioning at layer 2 of the OSI model. You'll see this in different Cisco diagrams. Number two, the universal symbol for a Cisco router is also very important. And number three, anytime we have an element of layer 3 of the OSI model, which we have yet to learn about, we're going to see an icon like the one represented here. This is a dedicated router typically used to terminate connections between a local area network, such as an Ethernet line, and a wide area network, such as a serial line. With a multi-layer switch, we typically have a device that can handle both functions. It has a lot of ports like a switch or a hub and can provide us with the same types of technologies that a router can, such as packet manipulation. So these three icons are paramount, and we will see these in many different places throughout our course. In addition, the hub or concentrator is used to define a non-intelligent layer 1 device, but doesn't do anything special to the packet at all. It simply allows computers to connect via Ethernet. Of course, the PC computer and the server will be used to represent a PC and a server, respectively. And when we utilize the asynchronous transfer mode, or ATM, as either a LAN or a WAN technology, we might see one of these switches used here and there. We will typically also see a network cloud anytime we're dealing with an environment where we have connectivity from one end to the other. This is typically where the network cloud icon comes from. We also have a difference between the Ethernet line, which is typically a local area network connection, and the serial line. A serial connection can be considered the same as a wide area networking. So we will typically see a little lightning bolt anytime we're dealing with a WAN connection. We typically see a straight line anytime we're dealing with a local area network connection.